I charge $600 to optimize a single LinkedIn profile. But today I am going to give you the exact strategies that I've used in my LinkedIn profile and I use for optimizing my client's LinkedIn profile. So you can just copy paste and recreate your profile so that it's enough convertible and you can turn visitors into leads easily. So let's get to the iPad screen and I'll show you. So here in the first of all, when someone visits to your LinkedIn profile, the main section is your banner. Okay. So when someone sees your LinkedIn banner, there should be a single theme in your LinkedIn profile. So my offer is to help coaches and creators sign 2 to 4 clients every single month on LinkedIn. So you can see my banner is promoting the same thing, the same theme. Okay. So my offer is to help coaches sign clients, right? So I have got a small chunk. I have removed a small chunk from my offer and created it as a checklist and I'm promoting it into my banner. Okay, so when visitors visit my LinkedIn profile, they see the outcome I'm providing here and they see this CTA here. Okay, and with this CTA, when they see this CTA, they can just see that there is a link below here. Okay, you can see there is a link here and they can click on this link to get this checklist for free and I capture the email. That's the main goal, right? The main goal of my profile is I want to capture the email in return of giving something for free. Okay, second thing, my LinkedIn headline says what I do, a LinkedIn coach. Then my how I statement, how I help X to achieve Y. This type of statement you create. Okay, so I have created my statement. I help coaches and creators 2 to 4 clients every single month on LinkedIn using CSS framework. So there is a unique thing, okay, unique mechanism. Then outcome, what I provide stated very clearly, okay, and what is the timeline. I'm helping them generate 2 to 4 clients every single month on LinkedIn. So this is how the how I statement is complete. Now to build that, to prove that I have done the stuff and I know what I'm talking about. So here I have added the result. You can see 25 plus clients signed and served, right? So again, after building this trust, you can see there is a CTA and it's the same CTA which is in the banner. Click the link below to download your free checklist. So again, the theme is to promote this link. Okay, someone is clicking, I'm getting the email, the most important thing. Now this is the main card. The main card section of your LinkedIn profile is optimized. We say it the main card. You can see this section. This is the main card section of your LinkedIn profile. Coming below, now when you see my about section, there are 2 versions I've added. A short version to the people who just love the short reading short things and coming straight to the point, that what I offer. And for the long version, there is a long version where I have stated my stories. Okay, where I'm telling my story, how I've started this LinkedIn, what were my problems. Okay, and then after the problems, how I overcome them, and after overcoming them, I started this LinkedIn thing and then signed clients and I've helped them a lot, and then the results, and then again a CTA. So the about section is also converting and promoting my offer, first using the storytelling technique and then using the transformation, what I have done and how I have helped my clients. Coming to the service section and the featured section, a most important thing on this LinkedIn, I believe, if you want to make your LinkedIn page as a landing page, you see in my service section, I haven't added like the fluffy text and everything. Simple statement, what I do, I have a coaching program, you can say, where I am helping coaches and consultants who want to sign clients on LinkedIn. That's it. Second thing, to build more trust and to promote my main offer, what I do, here are the video testimonials I have added into my LinkedIn profile. This video testimonials, if there is a potential lead who is visiting my profile, gets nurtured. This video testimonials build trust. So whether you have anything like the reviews, the testimonials, and your goal is relating to it, then add it here in the service section. Second thing, in the featured section, I'm again using it, leveraging it to build trust and showcase my expertise. I'm telling people that I know my game, what I'm doing and what I'm playing. So you can see my featured section. Again, you can see here a case study, client case study, that how my client closed 3 deals in 7 weeks working together. That's it. Second thing, how I closed a $1,500 dollars client from LinkedIn, right, for my coaching program. So you can see from a single theme, which is promoting my offer, a one-on-one LinkedIn offer, I have dissect it and removed and bring out a small chunk of my offer and I have turned it into a checklist, promoting that checklist into my LinkedIn profile. And the goal is to capture the email. Someone gives me the email. I have an automatic email sequence. That's another part, but this is how you optimize your LinkedIn profile to convert visitors into lead. Then if they want to get more nurtured, then when they scroll, they can see your video testimonials, your reviews, your success stories, your case studies, and this is how you do it. And this is how you optimize your LinkedIn profile with the banner, headline, about section, and service section and featured section. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, just drop a like, and if you have any question, drop it into the comments and I'll try to answer them. Okay. And if you are a coach or a creator who wants to sign clients from LinkedIn, okay, 2 to 4 clients every single month, so you can get my free checklist. I've added into this comment section of this video, so it would be very helpful for you. Okay, so don't forget to grab it. Thanks a lot. Bye.